Hey guys, welcome back to my art channel, and today we made an exterior perspective of my plate in Architectural Design 3. These are the materials I used. I used the Touch 5 markers and the Touch 10 markers. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And I also used Google Earth as reference for the street view of the site I'm drawing in. So yeah. Before watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching! For this artwork, I will be using a 12 by 18 watercolor paper I bought from Jolly's P-Novel. It's actually a CANSON watercolor paper, and now I'm doing the measurements of my borders for the artwork. Before doing the perspectives, make sure you chose your left vanishing point and your right vanishing point. These points will help you determine the angles and the diagonal slope you choose of the building. And as you can see, I use the reference of Google Earth to my drawing when I'm drawing. So yeah, I just simply copied what's there in the screen and used it as a reference to drawing my existing structure buildings. Choo 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 choo. The one in the middle is the plate my group designed for the project, which is actually a all girls dormitory, which is only 4 floors. So yeah, to tell you more about the building we designed, it's actually inspired by Beehive. That's why it's called The Hive, and we decided to take the colorful route of designing so it'll have a more fun look to it. And next week I will be posting the final presentation product of what we made as a group. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell thingy so that you'll be notified with my new upcoming vlogs or renders or Shopee hauls and etc. choo choo choo. Next thing I'll do is I will ink the penciled artwork using my Unipens, and what I like to do is I like to use since I have 3 different buildings, one in the nearest one is the middle one, and one is the farthest one. So the 0.3 or the thickest fine liner I have, I will use on my nearest building, which is the smallest one, and the 0.1 Unipen I will use on my middle building, which is the Hive, that one. And for the 0.005, the smallest one, I will use it on the farthest building to have a more depth effect. And since my building has a tree in front, I only use the lightest of light points, like that one. In the right side of the building, there's an outline of a tree that I made hollow because I don't want it to obstruct the view of the facade. So now I'm gonna make my title of the drawing, which is Exterior Perspective. So yeah, the lower and upper drawing lines are always important when you're drawing text, so that it will be uniform, the lines are straight and it's not going up or down like always. Sad. So yeah, these are the coloring markers I will be using. So cue transition. Bam! Lemao. These are the Touch 5 and Touch 10 markers. So I know a lot of you are demanding me to list down all the color codes of each color I'm using, but there's so much, so I can't. So you basically need to provide like a paper, a whole big paper, and like you test out all your markers, and you need to like compare your reference picture with the paper that you put your swatches on, so that you like learn how to like pick the right colors for the object. And I think codes help, especially when you're new to alcohol markers and you're just starting. But you also need to try and experiment the color combinations and how this color mixes with other colors. So I'll also be trying my best to put the common color codes and combinations that I use. I like using the 30 gray color set I bought from Shopee. I made a Shopee haul video with that, and just check my description box for the video link and watch it. And I think it really helped me with the shades of my colors, because I can alter the pigmented color to make it darker and less darker by like just putting warm gray or like cool gray or like green gray or blue gray on top of it, so it will have a more strong or dark, like shade. You can also make a color lighter by using the color blender and like spreading it out so that the pigment or like color will spread out and be like lighter. So yeah, that's what I do when I have a mistake. Now I'm just giving depth to the building by adding darker colors like cool gray. And for the sky color, some people like putting really dark blue colors, but I think the lightest of light colors will suffice. Just have like a really light blue and spread it out using your color blender so it'll have a realistic cloud background sky effect. So yeah, now I'm just filling or coloring my entourage, that girl over there and the guy really far there, and the car, this car. So I was having a hard time coloring the car because I didn't know what to color it, so I just made it red. But I don't really like coloring cars, so it's sorry if it's ugly. But yeah, I also color this tree lightly just to indicate that there's a tree in front. So this is me doing some finishing touches, and don't mind the dogs barking at the background, they're really sad. So yeah, this is a close-up montage of the exterior perspective, and no judging the building's design, okay? Don't judge. It kinda looks like a playground. So these are the materials I used, the Touch 10 and the Touch 5, my reference. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.